Hi, it's Matt from Pocket Skate Team here doing a Penny review unboxing. We have got the 2012 model, orange deck, white wheels and blue trucks. Comes with this Penny label here. First of all, talk about specs and dimensions. These wheels are 60mm, 88A on the durometer. Trucks, 3-inch trucks, Penny written across there and inside there, as you can see. Then we have the, I think it's 98A bushings. Then we have the orange Penny deck, Penny there, Penny skateboard since forever, and P on the kicktail. Haven't skated this yet since I've only just got it, and looks like it's going to be good fun. And the Apex 7 Penny bearings in there.